What is the minimum monthly maintenance needs allowance, the MMMNA? It's a mouthful. This is a Medicaid planning concept. The MMMNA changes among all 50 states. It's different among all 50 states within a range. In Florida, the MMMNA is currently a minimum of $2,155. So what does all that mean? This concept is most frequently applied when I have a married couple and we have one spouse that needs to be in a Florida nursing home. And the other spouse is living in another, either in an assisted living facility or they're living at home. And essentially, generally speaking, Medicaid says that if you're in a nursing home, all of your income minus $130, that's what's known as the personal needs allowance, but all of your income essentially is going to that nursing home and Medicaid's going to pay the difference. Now that's often a terrific deal. These facilities can cost $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 a month. So if your income is $2,000 a month, you're going to give the facility essentially $2,000. Medicaid's going to pick up the difference, and that's terrific. However, when you have a community spouse, when you have a spouse that's not in a nursing home, that lives in the community, either in an ALF or they live at home, the idea is that they have to have some income to live their life and to be able to pay their own bills. And so Medicaid has set up these rules that essentially say if the community spouse does not earn up to the minimum monthly maintenance needs allowance, they will allow the institutionalized spouse's income to be diverted to get the community spouse up to those income limits. And if the minimum monthly maintenance needs allowance is insufficient for the community spouse to meet their needs, there are also additional processes where we can divert more income. Now again, the reason why this is so nursing home specific is because if you're in an if instead of a nursing home, if the Medicaid recipient is living at home, receiving home health care, or in an ALF, they get to keep their income. And typically that's going to go towards their cost of care, but the MMMNA is not going to be implicated because they can keep their income and do whatever they want with it. So it's really not as an important of a concept when the Medicaid recipient is at home or in an ALF. So I hope that helps. If you are anywhere in the state of Florida and interested in talking more about Medicaid planning, whether it's getting help paying for that nursing home, assisted living facility, or helping to pay for home health care, give us a call and we can set up a consultation. We talk about how to protect your income and assets legally and ethically and get you qualified for these benefits now. Okay, terrific. Thank you very much. Have a great day.